just going to say, I can just see Lauren and Anthony with one of those skater walkers, you know. They got the skates on and they're trying to get around the ice. So that'll be fun. I'll bring my little tripod, my camera, and we'll show that. We'll get that scheduled out soon. All right, 71 degrees on our temperature right now out there, so great start to our Thursday under the clear skies. We're at 69 in Delano, 66 in Shafter, Arvin 71, and then we've got 40s, 50s, 60s into the mountains. Currently Tehachapi, you're at 52. Lake Isabella waking up at 64, and you can see skies are clear. We still have this southwesterly flow. That's what those arrows are indicating. That's because of that area of low pressure, but there's no more clouds. All that moisture is now pushing more to the northbound, and you can see that on the regional satellite. The low is just off the coast near Monterey, and throughout the day we will continue to see thunderstorms along the Sierra Crest, up near the Mammoth area, and even into the Bay Area, even just west of Fresno. Could still see some of those thunderstorms as we're seeing this morning. And here's a look at that thunderstorm forecast. Nothing for Kern County, but again along the Sierra from Three Rivers up near Bishop, also Mammoth, and even Lake Tahoe could see some storms develop throughout the day. Here's a look at daytime highs: 87 in Sacramento, 70 in Tahoe today, 88 in Fresno, and then we've got those nice comfortable 70s into LA and San Diego. To the east, a hot day in Phoenix at 106. No triple digits in our forecast. That's great news. Here's a look at what is going to happen. So we're talking about this low. It's moving north, but it's eventually going to move south again, and it's still going to keep that cooler air around. Saturday, it looks like we might spike to about 90, and then we've got another trough developing out of the north, and that will keep our temperatures in check and maybe bring a few isolated showers to some locations. Here's a look at the air quality today. Moderate with an AQI at 61, 68 in Frazier Park today, 71 in Leadbeck. You're the only area where I have a slight risk of a shower or thunderstorm developing. For the valley today, sunny skies, but the one thing to note here, winds are starting out light, but we could get a little breezy this afternoon, so just keep that in mind. Some of the model data suggesting winds gusting around 25. 87 in Bakersfield, 85 in McFarland, Wasco at 86, and Taft, you'll be right near 82. As we take a look at the mountains today, sunny, but also a little breezy throughout the afternoon. Winds gusting around 40, 72 in Tehachapi, Bear Valley, you're right near 71, so great temperatures in the mountains. And then for the Kern River Valley, 83 in Weldon, 79 in Wofford Heights, and then for the desert, we're looking at 91 in Ridgecrest, Mojave at 84, and those winds gusting around 35. That's okay. Forecast, more news coming up next.